Hi, so this is the Lenovo Watch 9 taken apart. You might wonder why I have taken apart my new smartwatch, but today I taken it to the swimming pool because I thought it should be waterproof, but I was so wrong. It was drying all day. I see no water anywhere, so it might be safe to put it together. Though I wanted to make this video because I've seen lots of false advertisements around this product. When I bought it, I thought it will be waterproof, it could be charged. I was very surprised when I saw that this is the battery of the device. There is no charger in the package, and here I see why. This is standard battery. You can buy it pretty easily, but it is not rechargeable. Okay, so here it is. Now I will try to put it together back. Okay, looks nice. Now the battery go. Oh, it made some noise and some vibration. It looks great. This is for waterproofing device, but it has not worked. I had a lot of water inside. Don't take it too seriously and don't rely on it. Don't take it into the swimming pool. Okay, that should be it. Paired with my secondary phone because we not need to set the time right, so I go to calibration. Right, it's watch 9. And now I just follow the instruction on the screen. I'm shaking the watch. It's not working. I'm trying to click the button. Again, calibration, watch 9. And now it fast forwards to the correct time. I thought this was quite cool when I saw it on the video, but it's quite an annoying feature. You want to set your time and you have to wait quite a long time. It's quite annoying. The only purpose I am using this device is measuring steps and showing time because I don't trust the application. It is not on Play Store. You have to install some third-party app from the site, so it's quite suspicious. The time part and the step measuring part, they work fine. I don't know about the others. I think that there was a lot of false advertising regarding this product, and at many sites, at first reviews of this Watch 9, I've seen you get the charger, the battery lasts for a month and then you can charge it. The battery is not rechargeable. I don't know how that the battery will last because it broke after 2 days. Quite surprised and dissatisfied that it has no rechargeable battery, and the app, I don't trust it. Why don't I put it on the Play Store? Okay, now it stopped. So at the end, I don't recommend buying this product. As you see, it is quite bulky. I bought it for my wife, but she doesn't want to wear it because it's too big. So here it is on my arm. As you see, it's quite thick. It is not that bad. For a woman's more slender arm, it could be quite a disaster. Also, in many advertisements I saw there are some displays or something like that, but there are 1 or 2 blinking diodes, but no display. So all the information you can get from this watch is it can vibrate, so it gives you some signals. Press this button once. So this will indicate how many steps you made. This is 0%, this is 100%. So you can get this information from the watch, but not on display. I think it's a quite cool way how to show it, but any displays mentioned are not present, so another bummer.